An animal cell is a type of eukaryotic cell that lacks a cell wall and has a true, membrane-bound nucleus along with other cellular organelles. Animal cells perform multiple functions essential for the survival and adaptation of organisms. Animal cell is eukaryotic in nature and exhibit DNA within the nucleus. It also contains various cellular structure and organelles like the cytoplasm, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, mitochondria, etc. Animal cells function together to carry out various cellular processes and sustains life. A cell consists of a plasma membrane enclosing a number of organelles suspended in a watery fluid called cytosol. Organelles, literally small organs, have individual and highly specialized functions, and are often enclosed in their own membrane within the cytosol. They include the nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, and the cytoskeleton. The cell contents, excluding the nucleus, is the cytoplasm, the cytosol, and other organelles. Animal cells are complex structures with various organelles that perform specific functions to maintain the cell's viability and support its activities. Cell membrane, plasma membrane. The cell membrane is the outermost boundary of the cell, providing a protective barrier. It regulates the passage of substances in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm. This semifluid matrix surrounds the organelles and is where many cellular processes occur. The fluid that fills up the cells is referred to as the cytoplasm. It encompasses the cytosol with filaments, ions, proteins, and macromolecular structures and also other organelles suspended in the cytosol. Endoplasmic reticulum, The is a network of membranes responsible for protein and lipid synthesis. Rough has ribosomes on its surface, while smooth is involved in lipid metabolism. Nucleus. The nucleus houses the cell's genetic material in the form of DNA. It controls cellular activities and contains the nucleolus, responsible for ribosome synthesis. The nucleus contains the body's genetic material in the form of deoxyribonucleic acid. This directs all its metabolic activities. In a non-dividing cell, DNA is present as a fine network of threads called chromatin, but when the cell prepares to divide, the chromatin forms distinct structures called chromosomes. A related substance, ribonucleic acid, RNA, is also found in the nucleus. There are different types of RNA, not all found in the nucleus, but which are in general involved in protein synthesis. Within the nucleus is a roughly spherical structure called the nucleolus, which is involved in synthesis and assembly of the components of ribosomes. Ribosomes. These tiny structures are responsible for protein synthesis, where genetic information from the nucleus is used to assemble proteins. These are tiny granules composed of RNA and protein. They synthesize proteins from amino acids, using RNA as the template when present in free units or in small clusters in the cytoplasm. The ribosomes make proteins for use within the cell. Mitochondria. Often referred to as the cell's powerhouses, mitochondria generate ATP, the cell's energy currency, through cellular respiration. Mitochondria are membranous, sausage-shaped structures in the cytoplasm, sometimes described as the powerhouse of the cell. They are central to aerobic respiration, the processes by which chemical energy is made available in the cell. This is in the form of ATP, which releases energy when the cell breaks it down. Synthesis of ATP is most efficient in the final stages of aerobic respiration, a process which requires oxygen. Lysosomes. Lysosomes contain enzymes that break down waste materials and cellular debris. They play a vital role in cellular cleanup and recycling. Peroxisomes. Peroxisomes are involved in lipid metabolism and detoxification processes, breaking down harmful substances. Centrioles. These are involved in cell division, helping to organize the microtubules of the cytoskeleton. Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus modifies, sorts, and packages proteins and lipids into vesicles for transport to other parts of the cell or for export. Cytoskeleton. The cytoskeleton is a network of protein filaments that provides structural support and is essential for cell shape, movement, and division.